My name is Michael Laws and I'm the creator of the YouTube channel Teaching Tech. Before I was teaching technology to strangers all over the world, I was teaching it in schools, having been a technology teacher and STEM coordinator for over a decade. And it was during that time that I first became a customer of 3D Printers Online. Their products and customer service was essential in getting my classes over the line in designing and resin printing investment cast jewelry. I'm excited to be the ambassador for this great program for two reasons. Firstly, I understand more than anyone just how time poor teachers are. And secondly, I understand how powerful 3D printing can be, both for students to master and for teachers to use to help them in the classroom. During my time in education, my students utilized 3D printing to turn whatever their vision was into reality. And 3D printing was an integral part to our participation in the world's largest STEM competition, F1 in Schools, in which I was fortunate enough to mentor a team to becoming Australian champions. But many times my students were the beneficiaries of 3D printing without them knowing anything about the process, and that's because I constantly utilized 3D printing to create resources to deliver engaging content. As a teacher, 3D printing was my hobby out of hours, so I was willing to invest the time to work through the nitty-gritty and iron out all of the kinks. Too challenging for many teachers, but fortunately, 3D printing has progressed. The 3D printers at the heart of this program are fast, high quality, and safe, with enclosures to keep eager hands away and active air filtration. Not only that, but they're very easy to use, with no need for bed leveling and slicing software with a range of presets for various materials ready to go. These packages include hardware, consumables, training, and a warranty with a hot swap guarantee, so any willing teachers should be able to use 3D printing as an efficient tool rather than yet another distraction. 3D printing is already amazing and the future is brighter still. And you can use it to either inspire your students or create resources that make your lessons much more engaging. This is the type of 3D printing product that schools have been asking for years. So get in contact today with someone from 3DPO or visit their showroom to find out how 3D printing through 3D Printers Online can make your school's curriculum more impactful.